Henry Lawson. Biography. Early life 1867-1883. Born June 17, 1867, in Grenfell, New South Wales, Australia. His father, Niels Hertzberg Lawson, was a Norwegian sailor turned gold prospector. And his mother, Louisa Lawson, was a writer, editor, and feminist activist. Early writing career 1884-1895. Moved to Sydney in his late teens and worked as a coach painter and apprentice. Inspired by his mother, who ran a feminist newspaper, The Dawn, he began writing poetry and short stories. His first published poem, A Song of the Republic 1887, appeared in the Bulletin, a major Australian literary magazine.
A Neglected History, 1888, critiqued the centennial celebrations of British colonisation, emphasising the struggles of common Australians. His early short stories, including The Drover's Wife, 1892, and On the Edge of a Plain, 1893, depicted the hardships of life in the Australian bush. He continued writing, publishing works like Joe Wilson and His Mates, 1901, and The Rising of the Court, 1910. Analysis of A Neglected History, by Henry Lawson. Introduction. Henry Lawson, 1867-1922, is one of Australia's most famous writers, known for his short stories and poetry that depict the struggles of life in the Australian bush. His works often highlight themes of isolation, hardship, mateship, and social injustice. A Neglected History is a lesser-known prose piece by Lawson. Like much of his work, it focuses on overlooked aspects of Australian life, particularly the experiences of ordinary people, often working-class individuals, bushworkers, or settlers, who are forgotten by official histories.
Henry Lawson's essay, A Neglected History, reflects on the centennial celebrations in Sydney, which mark the 100th anniversary of the First Fleet's arrival in 1788. These celebrations took place in 1888, suggesting that Lawson's essay was likely written around that time. However, the exact publication date of A Neglected History is not clearly documented. Summary. The story, like many of Lawson's works, is likely to be a reflection on an aspect of Australian history that has been ignored or underappreciated by mainstream narratives. It may challenge the glorification of colonial history, showing the struggles of everyday Australians, such as convicts, Indigenous Australians, or poor settlers.
Lawson's work frequently exposes the harsh realities of the bush, including poverty, suffering, and resilience. As suggested by the title, the prose could focus on forgotten figures, those who worked, suffered, and contributed to Australian society but were never acknowledged in traditional historical records.
Themes and analysis. 1. Forgotten histories and ordinary Australians. Lawson often criticized how official Australian history focused on explorers, politicians, and wealthy settlers, while the real pioneers, the working class and Indigenous people, were ignored. He sought to give a voice to shearers, drovers, swagmen, and bushwomen, presenting them as the true backbone of Australia.
2. Harshness of bush life. A recurring theme in Lawson's work is the extreme difficulty of surviving in the outback. He often contrasts romanticized images of the Australian bush, as seen in works by Banjo Paterson, with stark, realistic portrayals of hardship, loneliness, and struggle. A Neglected History likely follows this pattern, showing how those who endured these conditions are rarely remembered. 3. Social injustice and inequality. Lawson frequently criticized social inequality in Australia, particularly the mistreatment of the poor and working class. His prose often explores economic struggles, class divisions, and the exploitation of workers. A Neglected History might highlight a historical injustice, such as the oppression of convicts, Indigenous Australians, or struggling farmers.
4. Mateship and resilience. Despite the harsh realities Lawson describes, he often celebrates the solidarity and resilience of the Australian people. His characters frequently support one another through difficult times, reinforcing the idea of mateship, a key value in Australian culture.
Style and narrative techniques. 1. Realism and vernacular language. Lawson's writing is known for its realistic dialogue and use of Australian slang. His characters speak in a way that reflects everyday Australians, making his work authentic and relatable. If A Neglected History follows this style, it likely features straightforward, direct narration with humor, irony, and sharp social commentary.
2. anti-romantic approach. Unlike Banjo Paterson, who glorified the bush, and the Australian legend, Lawson took a harsher, more realistic view of life in the outback. His work often deconstructs myths about Australian history, exposing the hardships that many people endured. 3. Short, punchy sentences. Lawson's prose is concise and impactful, often using brief but powerful descriptions to convey emotion and meaning. This style makes his social critiques sharp and effective. Conclusion. A Neglected History fits within Lawson's broader literary mission to highlight forgotten Australians, expose harsh realities, and challenge official historical narratives. Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.